In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain name in Notion. This simple process allows you to customize your workspace URL to better fit your brand or team's identity. Whether you're managing personal projects or collaborating with others, having a domain name that reflects your purpose adds a touch of professionalism. So, let's dive right in. Starting off from the Notion homepage, you'll see a clean, organized platform ready for you to navigate. Your first task is to locate the Settings menu, which is conveniently placed in the left corner of your screen. It's symbolized by a cogwheel icon. Clicking here will open up a menu with a wealth of options designed to tailor your Notion experience. Once the Settings menu is open, you'll want to select the General option. This takes you to the hub of basic settings that control the overall functionality of your Notion workspace. As you explore the general settings, you'll notice a variety of options, but our focus today is on the Public Settings tab. This is where you'll manage settings that affect how your workspace is displayed to others and is crucial for changing your domain name. Now that you're in the Public Settings section, let's talk about what you'll do here. You'll see a field where you can enter your preferred domain name. Think about what best represents your work or brand. It could be your business name, a catchy phrase, or even your own name, depending on what you feel suits best. It's worthwhile to check that your chosen domain name is unique to avoid conflicts. After entering your new domain name, take a moment to double-check it. Ensure there are no typos and that it's exactly how you'd like it to appear, as this will be visible to others. When you're satisfied with your choice, you'll see an Update button. Clicking this will save your changes and officially update your domain name. This process not only enhances your workspace's aesthetic appeal, but can also improve accessibility for others who need to view or collaborate on your materials. An updated domain name helps create a seamless, professional image, whether you're showcasing an extensive portfolio, coordinating projects, or just staying organized in your personal space. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully changed your domain name in Notion. Remember, customizing your workspace with a meaningful domain is an excellent way to express your unique presence online. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more Notion tips in the future.